Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips. Is your car idling roughly, misfiring, using more fuel, or having problems accelerating? Are you hearing a strange knocking sound coming from your engine? Chances are it's a problem with your spark plugs. If your car's spark plugs are old or worn out, they won't ignite the fuel in your engine correctly, making for a jittery ride. Faulty spark plugs should be attended to sooner rather than later, as replacing them is a relatively inexpensive fix. If left unattended though, it could result with a very costly engine failure. Goldwagen stocks a wide range of spark plugs and related parts for different vehicle models. So visit your nearest Goldwagen to get the best quality spark plugs for your vehicle.